So welcome back, Charlene, to our In Conversation With series. This time we're here today, we're going to talk about some tiles.
Oh,
So
my favourite subject.
I know you're one that loves our tiles, all different styles, shapes and colours.
Yes, I'm mad about tiles. Literally think about them morning and the night.
Amazing. So I think for customers or people looking to renovate, it can be quite an overwhelming process, choosing your tiles. Would you have any tips on choosing tiles for the whole home?
Generally, what I would encourage people to do is look through Pinterest and Instagram. We all love that kind of thing. Also things like, what's your favourite hotel? Where's your favourite place to eat? And you can really pull out what kind of style people like. That's like one of my main tips for really understanding your personal interior style.
So in terms of homes, the entire home, kitchens, bathrooms, is there different considerations for the types of tiles that you might choose in those sort of living spaces?
What I generally advise people to do is look at who's going to be using the space, what kind of age group they are, what kind of lifestyle they have. So if you are looking at your kitchen and you have a young family and you have a dog, so kind of like looking at the traffic. So say if you think of a kitchen, a bedroom, you might want the same tile, but they might be arranged slightly differently. Like in our home, we have a bedroom and we have it in a patchwork kind of style. And then when it goes into the kitchen, it goes in a large format and kind of streamlined. So it's the same tile, but slightly different looks, just to get a slightly different feel and different zones. But it's a textured tile, it's slightly rough. If the dog comes in with mud, it doesn't matter. The kids come in with mud, it doesn't matter. I'm not stressing about it. I just think homes are for living and enjoying. For a hall, if you're thinking, really that's only when guests come in, you can have something really wow there. Like you're not as worried. It can be something really gorgeous and glamorous, and it doesn't have to take the constant beating that maybe the kitchen and entrance. And then for your bathroom, if possible, I always like a slip resistant tile, something with a bit of texture. Again, ask your supplier if it is a slip resistant tile, how easily is it cleaned? Is it going to have issues with rubbing it down with cloths and things like that? Because those things can really impact the look of it.
So thank you so much for being here today and sharing your tips on choosing tiles for the whole home. Really appreciate it. Stay up to date with Bunker and the Bathshack collaboration. You can follow us along on our YouTube and social media channels. Bunker are also on social media. What are your channels, Charlene?
Yeah, so I'm on Bunker on Instagram and Facebook. That's where you find me.
Perfect. Well, you'll see more from us coming very soon. And thank you again, Charlene.